angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Vens Tarot, and this is how your 2021 will be. Love and work, friends. Yes, for earth signs, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, friends. Yes, these are some quick insights into your year, how your love life will be in the year 2021, your work and career will be. So many of you requested these quick insight readings, so here it is now, friends. Yes, I will be doing more detailed readings, but just give me time, friends. I'm not well right now, so I'm these are just quick versions of those readings, but we will look into this in detail. So this is for Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, friends, especially for the year 2021. And if you haven't already subscribed Magic Vens Tarot, friends, please do subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share, and click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. You can check the other sun signs as fire sign, air sign, and water signs. I will be doing them like this. So friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com, friends. So let's see Capricorns, how your love life. Let's see first what's the theme for the year for you, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, earth signs. What is the theme of the year 2021 will be for earth signs, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus? How that year will be? Wow, alchemy, you have the Midas touch. Right now, every project you begin will turn to gold. Wow, this is amazing. You will be extremely lucky and hardworking in the year of 2021. And make a decision. You will be making some important decisions in the year 2021. Life-changing decisions. Feeling stuck or indecisive, listen to your intuition, make a decision. I do see that your intuition will be very high in the year 2021, and you will be making some strong decisions which will change your life, and you will be making anything you start in 2021. It will be extremely lucky for you. It will also be very positive and it will bring you good luck and romance. I feel you will be extremely lucky in anything you start this year. Very, very lucky, extremely lucky. Stay optimistic. Your dreams are coming true. Don't quit right before the miracle occurs. Definitely anything you are working on right now, Virgo, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, you are going to manifest or achieve that reward in the year 2021. So it is an important year for you. Why? Because you will be making some important decisions or choices which will change your life path, your life goal, or which will make you very successful in this year 2021. Also, luck is with you. Whatever you start or work upon, or you have already worked upon in the year 2020, you will achieve your success. There is a goal. You want to achieve something, whether it is a job, whether it is fame, whether it is extra money, you want to be a millionaire or something. You're working on something, friends, right now. Maybe it is like starting a foreign degree, a PhD, a master's, a research degree, or maybe a love. You want to settle down in life, get married, have babies, or find your soulmate, be with them, or have a reunion with someone. Yes, it is going to happen for you in the year 2021. Yes, friends, so that's your theme. Let us see how your love life will be. Let's see that. Let's see how your love life will be in the year 2021. Earth signs, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, how their love life will be for the for the year of, wow, the Ace of Swords, new beginnings, breakthroughs for the year of 2021. Love life for Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Six of Cups, a new start is coming, a soulmate. Yes, a soulmate is coming, a new start is coming for you. Wow, the Justice, yes, destined changes. Yes, your love life will be amazing. It's like very powerful. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, their love life in the year 2021. Wow, 10 of cups of happiness, family. Yes, some of you will be getting married. Yes, some of you will be 4 of wands, forming a family, starting a family, expanding a family. Oh my god, great things are coming for Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. How their love life will be in the year 2020, 2021. The Empress, look at that. Oh my god, friends, this is that's why I was guided to do these quick readings before, because big things are coming your way, definitely in your love life. I just want to take a clarifier. Who is this person? Six of Cups. Who is this person? The Nine of Cups. Someone you love, someone who is a wish come true. Yes, friends, big breakthroughs. Okay, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Let's start. Whew. Right now, you're very confused about your love life. You're very unhappy, or nothing is clear. But in the year 2021, you are going to become absolutely clear on what you want in your love life and who you want in your love life, or what type of a partner or soulmate or lover you want in your love life. All the restrictions, all the limitations are going to fall off. You are going to get a breakthrough in your love life in the year 2021. Yes, someone that you really, really like or desire or want, a soulmate, a destined relationship, a destined connection is coming your way. This person could be someone you already know, or this could be someone you have shared a past life with. But this person is a wish come true for you. This is the type of person that you always wanted, or this is the person you wanted in your past but you could never have. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, this is your Nine of Cups. This is your wish come true romance. This is your aha moment. This person is your destined soulmate. Yes. Justice is going to happen in this connection. I do feel most of you know this person from your past. If you are single, this is someone who is a new person, but you have shared a past life with this person. They are your soulmate from your past life. And justice and destiny is going to bring you together. And definitely, King of Pentacles. See, this is, oh my God. Oh my god, friends, this is written in your destiny. This person and you are meant to be. Absolutely. This person could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, like you, or this person could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel if you already know this person, destiny is going to bring them back into your life and justice is going to happen. Maybe this person was married or they left you or something. Whatever happened in the past, forget it. You will have a new start in the year 2021. Absolutely. If this is a new person, oh my god, destiny is bringing them for you. Destiny will bring them, unite you, and you will feel so powerful when you meet this person. You are going to be this King of Pentacles or this Queen of Pentacles. You're gonna feel extremely powerful, happy when you meet this person, and when destiny meets crosses your path. Your relationships, yes, your love life will have extreme happiness in the in the year of 2021. I also feel, friends, it will be clear. It will be like you are family with this person, or you both come from the same families, or your families will get involved in this relationship. If you are already married, you will expand your family and have babies or kids, or if you are already having marriageable kids, they will have some children, so you can expect grandchildren also in this year. If you are single, this person, this relationship will quickly turn into marriage or romance or a lifelong partnership. Yes, there is, see, Four of Wands. I also feel this person could be coming through arranged marriage proposals or through your family. Even if they are not coming from your family, this person will get along fabulously with your family. You will feel like this is a family. You may quickly decide to shift or move in together or live in together because you have known them in the past, or you have known them, shared your past life with them. So this person will, and together you will bring a lot of happiness for each other. This person could be your twin flame. 11 11. I also feel, friends, this person and you will decide to marry or get engaged. Sorry, friends.